the biggest thermal lake of the world. Less than 10 kilometers west of Lake Balaton is a village of almost 5,000 inhabitants called Heviz. Here is the largest thermal lake in the world. We park the car and walk towards the lake. Along the way, we come across many places where Thai massage is practiced. Will there perhaps be a connection with the thermal baths? Or perhaps a Thai community has settled in this small village? At the ticket office we have two options, day ticket or ticket valid for 3 hours. We opt for the second option and we are given a bracelet, which we will need to enter and to open the locker in the locker room. Moreover, by bringing the bracelet close to special terminals present inside the structure, it is possible to check the remaining time available. Overall, the lake measures 47,500 square meters. Once inside, it is possible to find a place on the shores of the lake. Or, through a covered passage, it is possible to access an imposing structure built in the center of the lake. And from there to 2 other satellite structures, equipped with sunbeds and ladders to descend into the water. The water is at 36 degrees Celsius and the depth varies from 2 to 38 meters. In the central structure there are also hydromassage stations with progressive zones. The complete cycle lasts 36 minutes. Every 3 minutes an acoustic signal invites customers to move to the next station. Our time is up. We go out and go back to the hotel. Tomorrow our next excursion to Siglagat awaits us.